Welcome to Lecture 1 of Module 2, Conditional Statements in Python. In this session, we will explore one of the core features of any programming language, making decisions. Conditional statements in Python allow us to control the flow of our program based on certain conditions. This makes our programs dynamic and interactive. So, what are conditional statements? Conditional statements let us execute specific blocks of code only when certain conditions are true. The keywords here are if, elif, which means else if, and else. Think of them like checkpoints. The program evaluates the condition and decides which path to take. Basic if statement. Let's start with a basic if statement. Let's write here age equals 18. If age greater than equal to 18, here we have the if condition and a conditional operator that we will see. Print you are an adult. Here Python checks if age is greater than or equal to 18. If yes, it prints a message, you are an adult. If not, it skips the block. Next, if-else statement. Now, what if we want to handle both cases? If the person is a minor or an adult? So here we can check it like this. If age less than 18, print minor, else print adult. The else block catches everything not handled by the if. Next, let's come to if, elif, else example. For multiple conditions, you can use if, elif, else. Say for example, marks equals 85. So if marks greater than equal to 90, let's print A grade. Elif marks greater than equal to 75, print B grade. Else print C grade. One thing I guess you might have noticed, instead of braces, which is used in other programming languages, here we are using colon. So if marks greater than equal to 90, colon, then execute this. Elif marks greater than equal to 75, colon, execute this. Else, colon, execute this. So Python checks from top to bottom and runs the first block when the condition is true. Only one block executes. Yes, friend. See you in our next lecture, Logical and Comparison Operators.